welcome to today's lesson. By request, I'm supposed to do Waymaker in key of B and show the progressions, and this is the last time I'll be doing this song. The progression cuts across in every key, and let's get it. I'll start with the intro, and after the intro I'll show you the chords that I used, and as I said, I'm playing in the key of B. Alright, so these are the progressions, the notes for the progressions. In the key of B, I'm playing 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6. All right. So if I was even playing in the key of C, this is my C. I'll be playing for 1, 5, 6. So make sure any key that you're going to be playing in, you should be able to identify your 1, 4, 5, and 6 and know the chords or the notes to form that chord, and you are done. So let's deal with the chords, then we come to the intro. Okay, so this is my chord 1 for my B. I play a B and then F sharp, a B, C sharp, E flat, F sharp. That's for my chord 1. Now for your chord 4, an E, B, E on the left, and then E, F sharp, G sharp, B. Alright, now I can play an inversion where I play, instead of playing this note, which is this B, I'll come and play this B. So I could play like this. Alright. Okay. Now let's move to my 5th chord. I'm playing on the left F sharp, C sharp, and then F sharp, G sharp, B flat, and then C sharp. Alright. Now this same chord, I could, instead of playing this note, I could be playing this note. So you will see me playing like this. Alright. It's the same. And then for my 6th chord, I have G sharp and E flat on my left, and then I have G sharp, B, and then E flat. Now most of the times you will see me adding the B flat to it. Alright, now there's a run I'm going to do which includes this chord, which is my 7th chord. I play B flat, F, and then I substitute it for my 5th chord. Alright, and then I play my 1 chord, and then there's a 2 chord 2 inside, which is C sharp, G sharp. Alright, now I have C sharp, E, and then G sharp, and then my 3rd chord. Now my 3rd chord, I have E flat, B flat, E flat, F sharp, and then B flat. So these are the chords you need for playing Waymaker. Now let's get on with the intro. For the intro, I hope you got it. And then on the left you play so you play E, B, E, F sharp, G sharp. this one you play B, F sharp, B, C sharp, E flat. B, F sharp, B, C sharp. And then on my left I'm playing the 5th chord. So F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, B flat. Right. B, E flat, B, G sharp. Right. Then you play. Right. So I have G sharp, E flat, G sharp, B flat, B. So when you add it together, it's going to be my 4th chord, moving in this place. My chord 1, I worship you. 5th chord, I worship you. You are here, rearranging destinies. I worship you. I worship you. We call you Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who you wipe away my tears. You mend a broken heart. You're the answer to it all. So this course should be able to help you to play the song, and I want you to subscribe to this channel and then leave a comment. Thank you.